Hey, my name is Robert, and today our group will be going over defining and using non-static methods. So whereas static methods are methods that are associated with a class, non-static methods are methods that are associated with objects of a class. So basically what that means is to call on non-static methods, you need to create an object of the class and call that non-static method or instance variable. And going over our code example will be Alexandra. Go ahead.
Okay, so this is the class we created for the example, and it's called Java example. On line 3 is our non-static method, and it's just goes by display. And to differentiate that, on line 6 is the static method called print. So when you compile and run the program, you can see here on line 10, which is the static method, you can just go ahead and call it without an object because it belongs to the class. But on line 13, we had to create the new object, or obj, in order to call the non-static or method or instance method. So that's what you see here, the 2 lines printed. And the last thing is that if we don't attach the method, if we don't attach the object to this method, it will actually create an error. So yeah, the error is that the non-static method cannot be referenced from a static context. So it always has to be associated with the object in order to work. And then for the next part, Liping is going to go ahead and explain some questions we had about the topic.
Okay, so here are some questions we are thinking about. The first one is why we need a static method since Java is an object-oriented language. The second one, when should we use a static method? I think Greece may be a good example. The third question, if the storage memory different between static and non-static method, I have no answer for this. For the last question, if the storage memory are different between static and non-static variables, we believe that do have static and non-static variables, and we do believe that the storage memory are different between these two. But we were not sure what's the difference and how they work. And that's all the question we have so far. Thank you for watching this video.